Okay, so I've got XLReporter's Project Explorer open here, and this is the first thing that you'll see upon installing the software. And this application just serves as a hub of all of the different tools that you'll use to design and deploy your reporting project. However, you'll notice that by default, the XLR demo project is loaded, which is a sales demonstration project that illustrates how XLReporter can work in various different industries with different types of data. But you probably wouldn't want these simulated reports included in your own reporting project. So the first thing we would do is define a new project. And that's done with File, New in the Explorer. The first thing that we need to do is give the project a name. And typically you would name this after the facility where you have it installed or the types of reports that you're generating. The key piece of configuration done when creating a project is defining the data source or the connector for the project. And these can be modified and added and deleted later as well, but here we'll do it in the new project wizard. And in this case, we're going to use the advanced alarm management connector. To create this connector, you need to select a provider, and you can see we support Rockwell, Emerson, Wonderware, and Siemens. And these are really just tuning parameters for the software. So if you have an alarm system outside of this list, you can use it with the XLReporter Advanced Alarm module. We just suggest that you consult with SciTech in terms of how to proceed with that. Now, my demonstration data is from an Emerson system, so I'll select that provider, and then I'll connect to the database. And typically, SCADA systems that are logging alarm data are doing it in Microsoft SQL Server, which you can see is supported. But my demo data is inside of a little Access database that I just have saved locally on my machine here. Now, once you connect to the database, you just have to specify the table or view that contains all of the alarm history. In my case, that's my alarms and events table. And that's it. I can click Finish. And this message here is just telling me that the web server used to access reports is changing over from the demo project to my ISA 18.2 project.